What if your summer could be the start of something bigger?
Welcome to the Tamwood Leadership Academy with Disney Imagination Campus Experience, an experience designed to inspire learners through activity, collaboration, and real-world thinking. We believe the most powerful learning happens when curiosity meets experience. At Tamwood Leadership Academy, students explore leadership, innovation, storytelling, and design thinking through dynamic workshops, building confidence, communication skills, and creative problem-solving. As part of the experience, students will take part in workshops offered through Disney Imagination Campus, where learning comes alive beyond the classroom, inspiring new perspectives on creativity, teamwork, and leadership. Surrounded by peers from around the world, students collaborate, discover their strengths, and build skills that stay with them long after the summer ends. Experience Tamwood Leadership Academy, where imagination meets leadership and the future begins.